Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can delete password backed up in your Google account or your Gmail account in case you happen to suspect unusual activity happening into any account which you have backed up using your Google account. What you're supposed to do basically, you can just get into your phone Gmail to access the password manager settings, then come to where we have this Gmail icon in the upper right hand side of your phone. Then you can come to where we have manage your Google account. Then you can come to where we have password managers. So the password which I want to delete, they are such was saved at a certain to unlock a certain website or app, which is custom, which is here. So you are supposed to click above it, then you should verify using your device. So what you need to do, just come here below at the bottom right hand side of your phone, then hit delete. So you'll be asked if you want to delete this password from your account, delete. So I'll come and delete the second one, then I'll hit delete. Then in case you are not able to reach this interface using this method, there is a second method. So the second method is where you can get into your phone Play Store. Then click, let me get back to this email. So let me get back there. So you are supposed to click the Gmail icon in the top right hand side of your Android device. Then come to where we have, you can try and then come to where we have manage Google settings. No, let me show you. Just click here, then come to where we have Google account, then come to where we have password manager. So you can come and look and check another app which is compromised, and you can be able to delete those passwords using the same method. So basically, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up in case you get it helpful. And you can remember to put in the comment section if the method have worked for you or not. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you.